In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a black screen in CapCut. Whether you're creating dramatic pauses, transitioning between scenes, or simply adding a moment to let your visuals breathe, knowing how to incorporate black screens can make your edits look more professional and polished. CapCut offers a couple of methods to achieve this, and I'll walk you through both step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly add black screens to suit the mood and pacing of your video project. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can find the download link in the description below and get started with this free and user-friendly editing tool. Let's dive into the first method, which involves creating a gap between clips. Start by launching CapCut and dragging your first video clip onto the main track in the timeline. This is where all your primary footage will live. Next, look at the top of the timeline and locate the magnet icon. Go ahead and disable it. Disabling the magnet prevents your clips from snapping together automatically, giving you full control over the placement of your footage. This step is important because it allows you to intentionally create gaps between clips without CapCut forcing them to stick together. Now, drag your second video clip onto the timeline, but this time, leave a space between the first and second clips. This empty space will automatically appear as a black screen when you play your video. It's a simple and effective way to create a visual pause without needing to add anything extra. If you want to adjust the length of the black screen, just click on the edge of the second clip and drag it to either increase or decrease the gap. This gives you the flexibility to control how long the black screen appears, which is great for setting the right rhythm or adding a dramatic effect to your edit. Next up, let's explore the second method, adding a black background. This is a slightly different approach and gives you more customization options. Start by placing your video clip onto the main track in the timeline. Just like before, now look for the media or stickers library. Depending on your version of CapCut, this might be labeled differently, but it's where you'll find additional assets to enhance your project. Search for a solid black image or sticker. If you don't see one immediately, don't worry. It might take a quick scroll or search to locate it. Once you've found a black background, drag it onto a new track above your video clip. This creates a layering effect, with the black background completely covering your footage. To ensure the black background covers the entire frame, resize it by dragging its edges until it fits perfectly. With that done, stretch the black background to match the duration you want the black screen to last. For example, if you need a 3-second pause, extend the black background for exactly 3 seconds. This method is ideal if you're working with precise timing or want more control over the visuals. For an added touch, you can create a smooth transition by adding a fade-out animation to the end of the black background clip. To do this, open the animation menu and select a fade-out effect. This is especially useful for soft endings or when you're aiming for a cinematic look. It's an optional step, but it can make a big difference in how polished your project feels. And there you have it. Now you know 2 effective ways to add black screens in CapCut. Whether you prefer to create a gap between clips or layer a black background, both methods are simple, yet powerful tools to enhance the pacing and storytelling in your videos. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.